Hey traders, today is 27th of September 2021. That is a Monday, start of a new week. I had a really good start to the week personally. In total, on this day, I took 4 trades. All 4 were winners, making it 100% win rate for the day. I made $5,000 by day trading options in the stock market. In this video, I will first show you guys the technicals of the stocks I traded. Then I will show you guys a trade recap, the live recording of my trades. And then finally, at the end of the video, I will show you guys my P&L statement. All these trades that I took today were from my game plan that I post on our Discord group every single market open day. If you guys want to be part of our Discord group and trade with us, the link will be in the description box below. My very first trade of the day was on Tesla. That was right within the first 1 minute of market open. That was from my game plan. If you guys haven't seen my trade recaps from Friday last week that I posted already on my channel, I will post a link somewhere around here. Make sure that you guys watch that video because in that video I explain my trades on Tesla that I took on Friday last week. On Friday last week, Tesla had a huge rally towards the upside. Heading on to this day, I already knew that Tesla is very extended. It made a $40 move on Friday last week, and even if you look at the hourly chart, 1 hour chart from Friday, it hasn't given a single red candle for the past 6-7 hours. That means this stock is very extending. Heading on to today, my plan was to, if I'm able to take a good entry on Tesla, I will make sure to take quick profits. I won't have FOMO on this stock because it's pretty easy for Tesla to chop around after making a huge move towards the upside. That's pretty much what Tesla does. On this day, Tesla had a nice rally. I held on to my trade on this day and then it chopped around for like a week or so. On this day, I also made a recap. Tesla gave us a good consolidation on the 1-day chart. I will make sure to post the video, the link of this video somewhere around here of this day. I was able to score a very good entry. I held on to this trade for like 10-15 minutes. But if a stock is extended on higher time frames, my strategy says that I will take my quick entry and exits. I will just behave like a pure scalper. I won't try to hold on to my trade. And that was my plan to trade Tesla for the day. Before we jump on to my trade recording, pause this video. Make sure that you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification. And if you guys have any questions or any video suggestion, post a comment down below. Every single like counts and it helps out the channel a lot. This is the recording of my first trade on Tesla. It all happened within the first 1 minute of market open. The time difference between my entry and exits was like 10-15 seconds. My plan was to take it before the break of 775. When I saw I'm seeing a lot of green on the time and sale, 775 is about to break. I got filled 10 contracts trading 775 calls. My fill price was 13.50 and as we are speaking, I'm already out of that trade. My entry was at 30.09. My first exit was at 30.23 when I saw some kind of rejection around 776. The fill price was 14.57. For the remaining 5 contracts, I got out at a premium price of 14.35. Overall, making $962 on this trade, approximately $1,000 within the first 30 seconds of market open, which is crazy. My second trade of the day was on Cost. The ticker symbol is Cost. The company is Costco. Actually, I wasn't watching this stock, but one of the members, he called it out that Costco is looking really good on the 1-day chart. I looked at the chart. It was for sure looking really good. If you guys don't know what Costco is, it's one of my favorite places to go. I go to Costco once a week. Like, I love going to Costco. If you guys also like going to Costco, post a comment down below so that I know I am not the only weirdo who likes going to a wholesale warehouse. The levels on Costco are pretty simple. It had earnings last week. It had a huge rally towards the upside. The all-time high is 469.77 that it made about a week or 2 weeks ago. I was looking to catch the break of all-time high and the psychological level, that is the $470 level just on the top of all-time high. My plan was to enter before the break of all-time high so that I can catch the premium spike, the IV spike at the break of 470 and take my profits at 470. This is the recording of my trade on Cost. Actually, I was slightly late to the party on it. My entry should have been at the break of this level, which was yesterday's high, 468.8, but I missed my entry. But when I saw that it's breaking the pre-market high, just before the break of pre-market high, I got filled 30 contracts at a premium price of 3.96. I'm trading 470 calls, same week expiry contracts. My plan is to see what happens at the break of 470. If I see a clean break, a rally towards the upside, I will hold on to my position. But if I see any sort of rejection around 470, I will take my profits, because at the break of 470, because of the increase in volume, the premiums are going to spike in value. And I'm already in the money around 10-15% on the contracts. When I entered this trade, we are not seeing the clean momentum that usually stocks do when they break all-time high. The bits are holding around 470. They are dropping back to 469.7-ish. That's why, just to be safe, I covered 50% of my position. That is 15 contracts at a fill price of 4.44. I'm just holding 15 of my contracts to see if it can push towards the upside. But once we saw this wick on the 1 minute chart, I don't like the stopping wick at the break of all-time high. I covered my whole position at a fill price of 4.25, the remaining 15 contracts. Overall, making around $1,100 on this trade with the whole time of only a minute. This is my third trade of the day. So Tesla, it moved from low of the day. It made a new high of the day. It broke $780 level. And then there was a big buyer at 778 that I could see on the book map. I mentioned that in the Discord group as well. So before the break of, at the break of 779, before the break of 780, I got filled 30 contracts at a fill price of 14.28. I'm trading 780 calls, same week expiry contracts. My stop loss was, this trade is very, very tight. I entered at 780. My stop loss is only 779.5, because I know that Tesla is very extended on the daily, on the hourly, and now it's even extended on the 5 minutes chart. So I'm only thinking of taking like $1 or $2 move on this one with the stop loss of 50 cents. I'm not trying to hold this trade any longer than I should. And you guys can see my exit. I entered at 37.20. In the next 30-40 seconds, I covered 50% of my position at a fill price of 14.66. If you look at the percentage wise, it's not a lot, but my stop loss was also really small. So I was risking only 20-30 cents on the contracts to make 50-60 cents. So that is 2-to-1 risk to reward. After my first exit, when Tesla was having difficulty holding above $780 level, I covered my whole position, my remaining 5 contracts at a fill price of 14.61, and the remaining 10 contracts at a fill price of 14.25. That was almost break even. You guys know, if I take profits on a position, I put my stop loss always at break even. In total, on this trade, I made around $700 with the whole time of, again, less than a minute. From the last 3 trades, you guys get an idea that I'm just taking my quick profits on this day. And the reason is, again, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm not liking anything on the higher time frames. None of the stocks I was looking at were making any clear pattern on a higher time frames. That's why I'm just taking my quick profits. And if you guys ask me why am I increasing my size on these trades, it's because I'm green for the month. I'm willing to risk my profits for the month, not my whole profits, but I'm willing to risk 30-40% of the profits for the month in order to make it a bigger month. That's my risk management. That's how I follow risk management. I recently made a video breaking down my August P&L and the risk management strategy I follow. I will post a link of that video somewhere around here. So if you guys want to know how I manage my risk, make sure that you guys watch that video after this video. My last trade of the day was on Tesla. So Tesla had a huge rally towards the upside. Just before the break of 790, it made a high of the day at 789.6, and it's been consolidating on the 1 minute, making a flag pattern. It's been consolidating on the 5 minutes, and we saw a huge rally at the break of 785. Look at these 6-7 green candles in a row. I missed this move because I think 5 minutes was a bit too extended to my liking, but this time around I'm liking the consolidation it's been doing for the past 15-20 minutes on the 5 minutes. That's why just before the break of the flag, I got filled 30 contracts. I'm trading 800 calls and my fill price was 8.45. I'm trading 800 calls and not 790 because I'm trying to reduce my risk on this trade. I know that Tesla has moved past its ATR, the average true range. ATR of Tesla is only around $22 to $21, and it has already moved around $21 for the day. And before the break of 791, when I was seeing a lot of red on the time and sales, because when Tesla breaks a level, like it broke 785, we saw a huge rally. And that's not what I am looking at the moment. That's why, just to be safe, I covered 10 contracts at a fill price of 9.05. I still made $600 on those 10 contracts, so I'm not complaining about that. I just forwarded this recording by about 10 minutes because I held this trade for 10 minutes. My entry was right here. I covered my first 10 contracts right here. Then I covered another 5 contracts on this candle. I was holding 50% of my position, that is 15 contracts, to see if it can break 791 and go towards the upside towards 795 or maybe even 800. But once I saw that it's rejecting 791, I gave it a few minutes. It was not holding above 790. That's why, just to be safe, I covered my whole position. 5 of my contracts at a fill price of 9.43 and the last 10 contracts at a fill price of 9.00. My initial entry was at 8.45. So all the contracts paid me really nice. I held this trade for around 10 minutes and the total profit I made was around $2,000, which is awesome. That's pretty much it, guys. In total, I took 4 trades, making $4,725 by day trading options. The only stocks I traded were Tesla and Cost. Overall, taking 4 trades, all my trades were green, 100% win rate and a really good start to the week for me. Before you go, make sure that you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you guys get notified whenever I release a new video. I'm releasing 2 to 3 new videos every single week on day trading. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure that you guys follow me there because I post a lot of good day trading content on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.